Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Anira and I'm back with another video. Guys, on today's video I want to bring you this makeup look that I created. This is a pinky summer makeup look that I created. So guys, for all those who are interested in seeing how I come across this makeup look, please just keep watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below if it's your first time stopping by my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button and please turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you'll be the first person to get it. Okay, so guys, without wasting so much of your time, please let's just get into the video. So guys, first thing I go in with my wipes. I wipe up my face, whatever is on my face, I take it all off. And secondly, I go in with my makeup primer. And the third thing I always go in with, it's my foundation that I'm using, the L'Oreal foundation. So you just go in and I put it all over my face and I start like dumping it in my face. So that's it guys. So I'm just going in and spreading it all over my face. So now I'm going in on my elegant concealer just to conceal underneath my eye, my forehead, and under my chin. So now I'm going in now with my brush. I just brush and I try to contour my nose, you know. So I go in now with my browns, and I'm using the Huda Beauty pencil liner. So I'm just tracing on my browns. So yeah guys, so I'm done with my browns and I'm just going in now with a little bit of concealer, and now I'm going in with concealer underneath on my eyelid. And the palette I'll be using on this makeup look, it's called Miss Rose Professional Makeup Cast Shiny 24 Colors Matte Eyeshadow. So that's the name that's written on this palette. I really don't know the real name, so I just read everything that's on the palette. So that's the palette I use on this eye, on my eye look. This is the palette I use. Okay, so I'm using a pinkish, I'm using the pinkish color, not really pinkish, but I don't know how I can put it, but I showed you guys right, so you saw the color that I'm using. So I just do the same thing on the other eye, and I try now and go in now in like putting my eyebrow, my eyelash together, sorry. So now I'm just trying now to get my eyeliner, and now I'm going in now with my lashes guys. So the lashes I use, they are same from Huda Beauty, the lashes I use, and the eyeliner I use is from M.A.C. Okay, so now I'm done with my lashes and everything, so I just go in now with my NYX powder, and I try now to put everything set in place guys. I mean, when you see somebody at this point of the makeup, you know the makeup is almost done. So now I'm just going in line of my lips, you know. So I'm just going in now with my lipstick. So that's it. When I'm done with this, I think that will be all about this. And the lipstick I'm using is Romantic Bridesmaid. Okay, that is the name written on the lipstick that I am using. So just go in and place it well, as you can see what you got it's doing, you know. And when I'm done with that, I just go in and I'll highlight my cheekbones guys. Under my brows and everything. And when I'm done with that, My makeup it's done, guys. I mean, everything it's put in place. I just go in there and I spray it, and that is it. I'm done. So guys, this will be all about our tutorial for today. So guys, if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button if it's your first time stopping by my channel. And hit the subscribe button and please turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to get it. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all so very much, and definitely we'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, peace out.